Hey everyone, today we're talking about something that's really changing the game in healthcare. The idea of getting top-notch medical care, not in a hospital, but right in the comfort of your own home. So how does that actually work? And what does it mean for someone who's recovering? Let's dive in. And this is the big promise, right? Hospital-like care at your home. Think about it. It's all about bringing that same level of quality, the same standards you'd expect from a hospital, but putting it in a place where you feel most comfortable. And honestly, that familiar setting can be a huge part of the healing process itself. So, to see how this all plays out in the real world, we're going to take a closer look at a specific provider, Delhi Home Healthcare Services. They've been doing this for a while now in the Delhi NCR region, specializing in exactly this, bringing high-quality care right to people's doorsteps. All right, so what does that promise of care really mean? Let's get into their core philosophy, because it's about so much more than just the medical side of things. Okay, so at the very heart of their approach is this idea they call true care, or Sachi Bal. And what that really boils down to is the belief that getting better isn't just about medicine and procedures. It's also about genuine, compassionate support. It's about treating the person, not just the illness. That emotional support, it's just as crucial. Now, a promise like that is great, but it's only as good as the people who deliver it, right? So let's talk about the team. The experts who are actually there at your side making it all happen. And this is really important. It's not just one person. To do this right, you need a whole team of skilled professionals. We're talking about trained nurses, physiotherapists to help with recovery, attendants, caregivers, even medical professionals. It's a whole spectrum of expertise working together. And here's something that gives families huge peace of mind. They're available 24/7. Because let's face it, health issues don't stick to a 9 to 5 schedule. Knowing that dedicated, personalized care is there anytime you need it, that's a massive relief. Okay, so we've got the philosophy and the team, but what about the actual services? What can they do for you at home? Let's break down the different ways they can help. You can see they cover a whole spectrum of care. It could be something like long-term elderly care, or maybe more immediate needs, like support after surgery. And get this, they can even set up an ICU at home. That's incredible. It takes a lot of specialized gear and serious expertise to pull that off. They also handle things like physiotherapy and even giving injections or IVs. And here's the key difference. Every single care plan is completely tailored to the individual. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach like you might find in a big hospital. Nope. It's designed around the patient's specific needs, their daily routine, and what works best for them. So this all sounds pretty good on paper, but what are the real-world benefits? Why would you choose home care over a hospital? Let's really look at the advantages, because they're pretty significant for both the patient and their family. Just look at this comparison. On one side, you've got the hospital, an unfamiliar place, standardized routines, which can be stressful, right? And it can be tough for family to visit. But with home healthcare, you're in your own home. You get personalized attention. This helps reduce stress, which can actually speed up recovery. And it's so much more convenient for family to be around and involved. So when you put it all together, what are the results for the patient? Well, it often means a quicker recovery. It's way more convenient. And you get that reliable, compassionate support. It's all about creating an environment where patients are safe, respected, and truly cared for. All right, so if this sounds like something that could help you or a loved one, how do you get started? Let's go over how you can connect with them. First up, here is the main contact number. You can just give them a call directly. And here's all the contact info in one place. You've got both phone numbers there, plus their website. I definitely recommend checking out the website if you want to get a more detailed look at all the different services they provide. And really, it all comes back to this one simple, powerful idea: bringing compassionate and reliable support right to your doorstep. It's about so much more than just medicine. It's about care that feels human. It really makes you think, doesn't it? As things move forward, maybe the future of healing isn't just in big hospital buildings, but right in our own homes. Something to consider.